Okay, so this is exercise 9.15, catch curve section. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to make sure that my units are set up correctly. Units. I have it set to architectural in inches. Okay, so I'm going to go to the line command, start at 0, 0, 0. Again, you don't have to, but that's just where I start. Tells us that it's 1 foot high, so I'm just typing 12 inches. And then we go this way, 0.5 feet, which is 6 inches. Okay, I'm going to draw straight down here because I'm going to use this as a reference. Okay, so I'm going to draw this bottom line. I want to go over 2 feet, which is 24 inches. Okay, then I'm going to copy this up 1.5. I'm going to copy both of these 5 inches. So then I'll go from here to here, and then from here to here. And get rid of these lines and this line. I'll trim this line. Okay. And this one, we're going to fillet. We're going to fillet these now here. I guess I can just draw this too. So let's fillet this. Fillet. My radius of 3. So I'm going to go 3 and 3. Okay. And then over here, this is to have a fillet of 1/4 inch. So radius, I'm going to go 0.25. Okay. So we have all that. Okay, and now we're going to kind of draw the outline down here. I'm going to start drawing the outlines for the hatching. So I'm going to change this to just hatch. They really don't give us dimensions on the boundaries of this bottom hatch here, so I'm just going to go 8 inches. I'm going to go down 12 inches. I'm going to offset this 12 inches. Okay. And I'm going to offset this 6 inches. Okay. And then they really don't tell you how far to go up here, so I'm just going to go midpoint. And I'm just going to use my fillet with a radius of 0. So I'm just going to connect all these dots. Or lines, I should say. Okay. I'm going to use my match properties because I want to get this all to the same layer, which I want to put it all in the hatch layer. Now you'll notice this hatch area above this, it tells us the finished street surface to be 3/16 above gutter lip. So I'm going to go draw a line here, 3/16 of an inch, go over 6 and down. There you go. So I have those little boundaries. So now I'm going to hatch. So I know I have an ANSI 31. This, we have that. Okay. And then I'm going to hatch this. Okay, I'm going to pick the concrete here, AR Conc. Click there, hit enter. And then over here, I'm going to hit this again. Okay, then I'm going to go the whole ways down to hex. What the hex? Okay, so the scale doesn't kind of match there, so let's kind of change these scales. So we're going to click here, and then up here, once you click on the hatch, this will automatically change. So let's go to 4. We're getting there. 8. Okay, looks a little better. Here, we want this a little smaller. Let's go 0.5. It's a little better. And here, let's just go 2. Let's go maybe 4. There you go. Looks a little better. Now, over here, I did not draw the break that it indicates. So let's kind of draw that. I'm just going to kind of draw randomly here. There's really no rhyme or reason for a break. I'm going to just kind of draw here. Okay, kind of make it look the same. Then I'm going to trim. Okay, so we trim that line and that line. Okay, trim this line and this line. And you know, because I did that after the hatch, I'm going to redo the hatch here, okay? I don't know what that is, but I want to type in RE for regen, and it disappears. Sometimes AutoCAD just have those little blips. So again, I'm going to click on hex, and I believe the scale is 4. There you go, so it fills in all through here. Next then is we're going to get our dimensions. Okay, so go to dim. Now, in our dim styles, annotate, modify. Make sure these are architectural. Have it as the dim style scale of the units is 5. Okay, and I want this same scale for my multi-leader. I want to match my multi-leader scale because we're going to have to draw some notes. We're going to modify under leader structure. It asks for the scale, made it 5. Okay, close. Okay, I'm on the dim layer. Got my linear. So I'm just going to kind of draw some of these here. Got one. This says 6 inches, which is a half a foot. Here, which is 1.5 feet. And this whole job is 2 foot. Okay. And then I have, I'm going to do this down at the bottom for some reason. So, and then I'm just going to I did not get there. Okay, there we go. So we got that, and maybe we'll move this down here. All right. Maybe it won't work. Okay. So we'll just undo that. Make it look a little straight there. Okay. And then we are going to hit our radiuses. R3. I don't know why that did not hit there. And then we are going to hit an R3 here. So we have that one. And then we're going to put in our last note. We're going to put our note here. And we're going to type in all caps. FINISHED. Finish street surface to be 3/16 of an inch above gutter lip. That's how we got that. So I'm going to kind of separate it into separate lines. And then we are going to unstack this, and then we are going to dimension the radius here because we got to still hit this radius. We also have one more note to put in here. So we're going to use that. We're going to type in that note. Note roadway. Sorry, my caps are a little funky. Roadway section varies. Okay, and then I'm going to hit enter to put that on 2 different lines. And voila, there we go. And this is, and don't forget, as always, please put this on the title block, put it to a scale. Put your scale here, your drawing title, and your name, and then hand it in. Again, this is drawing exercise 9.15, catch curb section.